Hello and welcome back. I am Otis Landerholm and I'm the founding attorney of Landerholm Immigration A.P.C. where we fight for your American dream. Imagine that you're in immigration court proceedings, right? And maybe you've been in for 6 months, when you're waiting for your next hearing or whatever. And imagine during this time you are the victim of a crime. It's never fun to be the victim of a crime anywhere. But if you're here in the United States, and if you're an immigrant, and if you're the victim of a crime, call the police, right? Call law enforcement, explain what happened to you, and it's possible that that thing that happened might have you be eligible for what we call a U visa, all right? And if you want more information about the U visa, check it out on our website. We've got videos about U visas. Feel free to call our office to ask questions about a U visa. The question I want to talk about with you today, though, is how do you get a U visa if you're in immigration court? All right? And the truth is that you get it the same way that you get it if you're not in immigration court. You just have a little bit more work to do. All right? What you do is you prepare everything on the case. You send off your packet for your U visa to the Vermont Service Center like you always do. You get receipt notices that prove that your case is pending. And as soon as you have all of that, you submit all of that to the immigration judge who's in control of your case. All right? Because you want the judge to know exactly what you've applied for and exactly what your long-term strategy is. All right? Now, I'm filming this in April of 2019. And I'm filming it in the San Francisco Bay Area. Different immigration courts and actually different judges might handle this situation differently, all right? The truth is that a U visa is not an application that's actually submitted to a judge. It's just submitted to the Vermont Service Center. It doesn't automatically give you some kind of benefit, right? And U visa cases right now are taking a long time, like 10 years, right? Because there is a backlog of pending U visas that are waiting to be adjudicated. So they really do take a long time. But in some immigration courts throughout the country, they're creating this docket of cases that are on what we call the status docket. And for some people with pending U visas, they can get on the status docket so that they don't have to keep coming back to all of their hearings, and so that their case doesn't go to a final trial or an individual hearing until after there's progress, there's a decision one way or another on their U visa. Some judges won't be up for that, and especially for detained cases, you probably won't be put on any status docket. You don't want to be detained all that time anyway. Often what people will do is they'll deport you, right? If there's no other form of relief, they'll deport you. But here's the truth. A U visa, if it's strong enough, has the power to. It does not automatically do this, but it has the power to bring a person back even after a person's deported. All right? U visas are powerful that way. So if you're detained, right, and you have a U visa on file, then there are potential arguments that, okay, you'll take a deport order if you don't have any other option. If you do have another option, you fight it, right? If you don't have any other option, take a deport order, leave the United States, get your U visa approved, and then come back in. So anyway, I'm just talking about different strategies. If you have questions about your particular case, please contact us. You can message us on Facebook. You can call our office directly. We have a great team here, and we love U visas, and we love winning complex cases in immigration court. We'd love to help you. We'd love to look at your situation and see what we can do to maximize your chances of staying in the United States. And if that's not possible, to at least maximize your chances of coming back in the future. But we always look for a way to keep you in the U.S. So thank you so much for watching this. I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration A.P.C., where we fight for your American dream. Thank you.